Hello everyone, welcome to our guide on Azure Security Services, where we explore the comprehensive suite of tools and solutions designed to safeguard your digital assets in the cloud. But before you move on to the session, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel and clicked on this bell icon so that you may never miss any update from us. Okay, so let's first talk about cloud security. Every company uses cloud in one way or another, and this makes cloud security very significant. More companies moving to cloud leaves IT professionals worried about security. Cloud security mainly focuses on how to implement policies, processes, and technologies to protect data, ensure regulatory compliance, and maintain control over privacy, access, and authentication for users and devices. It involves implementing cybersecurity measures, best practices, and controls to secure applications, data, and infrastructure within cloud environments. This includes protection against internal and external threats, management of access privileges, enforcement of data governance and compliance standards, and implementation of disaster recovery measures. Overall, cloud security aims to mitigate risk associated with storing and processing data in the cloud, providing a secure and resilient environment for businesses and organizations. Alright, now let's discuss what is Azure Security. Azure Security is a Microsoft suite of security tools that offers a comprehensive range of customizable solutions which are tailored to protect data, infrastructure, applications, and workloads across various environments, including the cloud, on premises, or hybrid setups. With its advanced security services powered by superior threat intelligence, Azure Security proactively detects and addresses threats in real time across hybrid cloud environments. Moving on, Azure Security Services offers several benefits that enhance the security and reliability of their IT environments. First up, we have got scalability and flexibility. So, with Azure Security Services, businesses can basically adjust their security setups as they grow or as new threats pop up. It's like having a security system that can grow and change along with your business, keeping everything nice and secure no matter what. Then we have got robust data protection and encryption. This just means that Azure Security Services makes sure that all important stuff like sensitive information is locked up tight against any potential threats. So you and your customers can rest easy knowing that your data is safe and sound. Next up, we have got cost effective solutions. Azure Security Services are designed to be super efficient and inexpensive. You only pay for what you need, so you're not wasting any money on stuff you don't use. It's like getting top-notch security without having to empty your wallet. And lastly, automated threat detection and response. Azure Security Services use fancy technology like machine learning and artificial intelligence to drive out any security issues lightning fast. So if there is a problem, it gets spotted and dealt with as soon as possible before it causes any real trouble. So with Azure Security Services, you're getting security that's not only powerful but also flexible, affordable, and super quick to react to any threats. It's like having a high technology security team watching your back 24/7. Okay, so now let's understand different types of Azure Security Services. Azure offers a wide range of security services to help organizations protect their cloud workloads, data, applications, and infrastructure. First off, let's talk about data and application security. So within Azure, this is all about keeping your data and apps safe and sound on the cloud. It includes measures to prevent unauthorized access, mitigate data breaches, and fortify against evolving security threats. Next, we have identity and access control. With Azure, it's all about making sure the right people get into their right places. You can think of it like having a really strict guard that only allows authorized people to enter. So, Azure helps manage who can access what with strong passwords and rules to keep everything secure. Next up, network security. This is like setting up a digital fortress around your virtual space. Azure Virtual Networks lets you create these little safe zones, and with things like network security groups, it's like having your own digital security team patrolling the borders, making sure only the right stuff gets through. Plus, with Azure DDoS protection, it's like having a shield against those pesky cyber attacks. Lastly, threat detection and protection. Azure Security Center keeps a close eye on everything, spotting any potential threats in real time. And with Azure Sentinel, it's like having a super smart security system that can sniff out trouble before it even happens, keeping your Azure environment safe and sound. So, with Azure, you're getting top notch security for your data, applications, and everything in between. So, are you ready to explore the powerful security capabilities of Azure? Join us in our comprehensive session as we dive into Azure Firewall, Azure Key Vault, and Microsoft Entra ID. Discover how these services can protect your data, manage access, and ensure compliance across your cloud environments. Don't miss out on this essential learning experience. Secure your cloud infrastructure today.